Okay, so we're going to talk about conditional formatting. To do that, first select the cells that you want to conditionally format. You can select multiple columns by clicking and dragging on the letters on the top. You can select multiple rows by clicking and selecting the numbers on the right. Of course, you can click and drag to select a custom range, or you can click on the cell on the top left between the columns and rows to select everything in your sheet. I'm going to do that. Next, you go up to the Format, and then down to Conditional Formatting. This will pull up a new menu up here on the right, which is your Conditional Formatting menu. It defaults to format these cells if the cell is not empty, if it's filled. But there are a ton of other options. You can do the formatting if it is empty, the inverse. You can do if the text contains, like if it has an H in it, or if you have the letter A in it. You can do a date range, you can do numbers. What we're going to do is equal to. Where we want to point out those missing assignments. So maybe if I say if a cell is equal to 0, fill that as bright yellow. Bam. Look how easy it is to spot out all of those missing assignments that you have. Bam, bam, bam. Oh wow, Biff, you're not doing so hot. Out of 10, you're missing 3 assignments. You can also do a ton of really custom rules on single color. You notice that there's if it's between, I think I saw there's a greater than or equal to, less than, is between. Like if you want to do grade ranges, if you want all the A's to be highlighted in green, there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with conditional formatting to see your data displayed in a meaningful manner. The last thing I want to show you really briefly is there's another tab next to single color, which is color scale. Now this makes an automatic heat map of your data. Now that's super cool. It automatically goes with your lowest and your highest numbers, which in our case is 0 to 100. But maybe I want it to go from, maybe I want my floor to be, say, at 55%. Now all of a sudden it's highlighting a heat map on the lower grades. That's really, really cool. Maybe I want that, instead of to be green, I want that to be like a dark red. And maybe I want my max value to be like light green. Now look how clearly you can see the data and the trends. Bam! You can instantly see homework 7 struggled for everyone. You can also clearly see that Biff is struggling a lot. You see, it shows you in colors and spans the trends that you already saw. Look at this. He started off really Doc Brown, started off pretty hard, and he got a whole lot better, dipped a little bit of that homework 7, and then continued to get better. I think this is just a fantastic tool, conditional formatting, to make your data relatable. And more importantly, it allows you to abstract out the trend data so that you can make informed decisions on your teaching, which is the whole point of all of this analysis. Conditional formatting, really, really cool. Format, conditional formatting gets you this menu. You can also add in multiple rules to the color scale if you'd like to do other kinds of things. Hope that helped. Bye.